Hey folks, this is Coleman Alderson for GardensAll.com, and I'd like to explore the concept, given our times of stress and a little bit of isolation and challenge, looking on our gardens as a old-fashioned victory garden. And the reason I'm thinking of this is because the victory garden back in the days of the World War, the Second World War in particular, was a definite boost to not only the nutrition but the morale of people that could go out and serve in the way they serve by tearing up their yard and planting seeds and raising up a garden and adding to the food supply. So I think if we could conceive of ourselves as victory gardeners, it takes me back to the day of James Underwood Crockett doing his WGBH series, Crockett's Victory Garden. That's what I grew up with, and maybe some of you all did too. But he was great. He was such a great teacher and just demonstrated how to be in the world. Now, one thing we can do is we can get out and plant extra with our neighbors in mind to share with them. And this is all a part of the, we garden for the community. And it's really great to have the space and have the capability and some of the skills and hopefully some of the luck to bring out some beautiful vegetables. So I just thought I'd posit that thought for you all. Just when you get out there and you start planting your garden, think about doing a little extra, maybe growing more things vertically because that's more space efficient, because you'll have more to share that way. That's my thought for this day. Coleman Alderson for GardensAll.com. Take care now.